In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image zoom hover effect on Wix. This smooth hover zoom is perfect for portfolios, galleries, and product images because it draws attention without making visitors click away. I'll walk you through it step by step, and I'll add simple tips so everything looks clean and professional. Start in the Wix editor. Open your page. Then add a new element by clicking the plus icon on the left side of the editor. From the Elements panel, choose Box. Boxes are great because they give you a styled container to control layout and effects. Next, pick hover boxes. These come with two states built in, a regular state and a hover state, which is exactly what we need. Browse the styles and select the one that best matches your site's look. You can always restyle later, so don't worry about it being perfect right now. Once the hover box is on your page, take a moment to tidy it up. Many templates include default text or decorative elements in the hover state. If you don't need them, remove unnecessary items to keep the focus on your image. Specifically, delete any placeholder text so the image is the star of the effect. Now, let's add your image. Click Change Image. Choose the picture you want from your media or upload a new one, and then click Choose Image to apply it. High quality images work best here, since zooming can make low resolution files look soft. With your image set, switch the component to its hover state. This lets you customize what happens when visitors move their cursor over the image. Click Choose Effect, then select Grow. Grow is the classic, tasteful zoom in effect that feels natural and responsive. After selecting Grow, click Customize to fine-tune it. Use the slider to adjust how much the image zooms on hover. A subtle increase usually looks more professional. Think of it as enhancing, not distracting. If you're unsure, start small and preview the result. When you're happy with the settings, head to the top right and click Preview to test it live. Hover over the image and check that the motion is smooth, the crop still looks good, and the zoom amount highlights the subject without cutting off key details. If something feels off, return to the editor, refine the effect, or slightly reposition your image until it looks just right. And that's it. You've added a clean, modern image zoom hover effect in Wix that elevates your visuals and improves engagement with minimal effort.